Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Heart Coding. Today, in this video, I'm excited to introduce a fully modern and professional restaurant website designed using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This project is carefully crafted with a clean, attractive, and user-friendly design that is perfect for restaurants, cafes, food businesses, and online food services. The website includes more than 20-plus beautifully designed pages, and every single page is fully responsive and optimized for all devices. Whether you're viewing it on a desktop, tablet, or mobile phone, the layout adapts perfectly to provide a smooth and consistent user experience. From the home page to the inner pages, the design follows a modern restaurant-style layout with well-structured sections, smooth animations, and engaging visuals. Special attention has been given to typography, spacing, colors, and overall UI to create a premium and professional restaurant website feel. This website includes essential restaurant features such as menu pages, food sections, about pages, contact pages, and other important inner pages needed for a complete restaurant website. All pages are built using clean HTML, modern CSS, and JavaScript to ensure performance, responsiveness, and smooth interactions. The entire project is fully responsive and works perfectly across all screen sizes without breaking the layout. It is suitable for real-world use, client projects, or even selling as a premium website template. If you want to check the live demo of this restaurant website or purchase the full source code, the demo link and purchase link are available in the description box below. You can explore all 20-plus pages, animations, and features before making a purchase. A complete step-by-step full tutorial for building this restaurant website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript will be coming very soon on this channel. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and stay tuned for the upcoming full tutorial.